This segment of DelmarvaLife is sponsored by DoubleTree by Hilton Salisbury and Savour Restaurant.
Think of it like bacon's more refined, more mature older brother. It's called prosciutto, and it delivers incredible flavor. And it's one of the gourmet ingredients we have in the Kitchen Concepts kitchen today.
And we also have Executive Chef Phillip Trout from Savour Restaurant. He's here today, and we are making something rather special. What is it?
Chicken saltimbocca.
Chicken saltimbocca. Okay, what makes it saltimbocca?
So the main ingredients in the saltimbocca would be a fontina cheese, sage, and prosciutto.
Prosciutto, okay. All right. And you already have the chicken breast frying.
Yes, ma'am. We're going to get the nice sear on it for that skin that we leave on there. And then we're sear both sides and pop it in the oven.
You called that an airline chicken breast?
Yes, this is the airline chicken breast. And Purdue does it for us. So we like to try to keep it local. Purdue, I feel like, is a big company down here on the Eastern Shore.
Yeah. So. And then it's why? Do you know why it's called airline chicken breast?
Because we keep that nice bone on there. We just trim it up, make it look nice, make it look a little pretty.
All right.
And easier to flip.
Yes, it is easier to handle. You could just grab it right by the bone and flip it.
Okay. All right. So how are things at Savour?
Pretty good, pretty good. Picking up business.
Oh, that's good. Yeah. And you guys, we talked about it last time, you've expanded your deck area.
So the deck has been doing well. We actually had people sitting on it last night for us.
Yeah.
Nice view, nice place, great food.
Yes.
Can't beat it.
And then you're going to cook this for a little while, and then eventually this is all going to go in the oven?
Yes, ma'am. Get the sear on both sides, just so that chicken could cook. And then we'll use the same pan just so that it cooks a little bit faster while it's in the oven. And we'll pop the cheese on there and then pop it right in the oven.
Okay.
And this is on the menu?
Yes, sir.
All right. You have any other new menu items that are worth noting?
Now, at the moment, we actually got some specials coming up. We're actually going to do watermelon carpaccio starting today.
Ooh.
Which is a twist on a cold soup.
Interesting.
Good day, good weather for that.
Yes.
Cold soup.
Especially when you're sitting out on the deck. It's not too hot. The soup would very refreshing.
All right.
So chicken saltimbocca. I think I pronounced that correctly.
Saltimbocca.
Saltimbocca.
I think. I don't. And there's an M in it, so but you don't pronounce it. All right.
And we'll just pop this right in the oven.
Pop that right in the oven.
Let me get out of your way.
Yeah.
Hot pan coming through. And the cheese you put on there, you said there was Fontana cheese?
Fontina.
Fontina. Is that more of a, does it melt easier, or is it a?
Well, it don't melt as easy as other cheeses. It's a little bit like thicker and a little bit more creamier.
Oh, okay. Excellent.
Yes.
Well, we're going to take a little break while this melts in the oven, and we come back and finish it off and taste it and talk a little bit more about Savour Restaurant. Stick around, DelmarvaLife. We'll be right back.
This segment of DelmarvaLife is sponsored by DoubleTree by Hilton Salisbury and Savour Restaurant.
During the break, our chicken saltimbocca spent some time in the oven, but we've got more culinary components to focus on. We are back in the Kitchen Concepts kitchen with Chef Phillip Trout from Savour Restaurant, and you are working on the potatoes.
Yes, ma'am.
So what do we got there?
We like to take it over the top just a little bit.
Ooh.
So we make this in-house, our basil pesto. Got some cheese in it, some oil, some garlic, fresh basil.
You can smell it.
Yes.
That smells amazing. And you're mixing that in with mashed potatoes.
Like
That's an
a red
interesting
potato?
combination.
Yes, we use red potatoes. We leave the skin on. And this is something that we make freshly. If we have some extra over at the end of the night, either an employee would take them home or something like that. But
I don't blame them.
we make sure that we make these fresh. And we mix this to order as well.
Okay.
So
it's not
it's
sitting
not
in the
just
fridge.
sitting around, or it's not just sitting in the warmer.
It makes a difference.
And then I'll come right around you. And we'll
All right,
pull
I'll
that
let you
chicken
sneak
out.
by and grab
Chicken
our
out of the oven.
chicken saltimbocca.
Saltimbocca.
There we go.
Oh, I can hear it sizzling.
Yes, it's sizzling.
Yep. Here we go. And then we'll take this bone and stick it right up like that.
Oh, look at that. Now, you're not finished, though, I'm sure. Right?
No, sir. So we're going to put it with some beurre blanc sauce, which is a white wine and butter sauce.
Ooh.
We got some fresh garlic, fresh chives, fresh lemon, and all in that sauce. And then we're gonna top with a nice prosciutto.
And we were talking, you kind of fry that a little bit so that it gets a little crunchy, right?
Yes, sir. That's some fresh sage.
Oh my goodness. What a masterpiece you've created.
And I'm always amazed at how easy he makes it look.
Yeah.
It's just like, oh yeah, let's throw this together.
And then you figure you're making, and this is on the menu, you're making several of these a night to order.
Yeah, just last night we got some nice business last night. I think we made about 5 or 6 of these.
Wow.
Just last night.
That is a lot. Okay, well, I'm going to scoot you to the side so that we can try this. I don't even know where to start.
I know, you don't want to ruin the beauty of it, right?
I mean, really, yeah, but well, we got to do what we got to do, right?
You got to dig right in.
Dig right in. That's what the chef said. All right.
So tell us again, this is on the menu?
Yes,
folks
sir.
Want to come by?
This is on the menu 7 days a week. Come by and try it whenever.
And be sure to check out the deck, too, the new expanded deck, too, for folks.
And for those who are not from the area or are not in Salisbury, where are you located?
We're right inside the Hilton by DoubleTree, right next to Tidal House.
Oh my goodness, the flavors.
Is it? I need to get a little bit of everything,
A little bit of
right?
everything.
Oh,
Wow.
It all comes together just perfectly.
It really does.
I want to join you on that wow journey. Wow, does that all go together?
It really does.
Perfect.
I mean, it always amazes me, and I've said this to you before, how you guys come up with these recipes and knowing that this flavor is going to go with that flavor and they're going to complement each other.
Sometimes you got to try it out 3 or 4 times until you get it right, but we've been working hard to get it right.
Well, you got it right on this
You
one.
definitely did. And if you need any taste testers and any of your new developments, we are signing up.
Sounds
We are available, right?
Anytime. Happy to help.
Savour Restaurant is where you need to be. Chef Phillip Trout here in the Kitchen Concepts Kitchen. Thank you so much.
Thank you.